once we've refurbished the embassy, but not before.
The auditorium, the library, and lounge area.
The magnets that come out are being refurbished.
Including the cost of refurbishing the entire 28th floor.
Remaking, remodeling, refurbishing.
Hey, they've refurbished last year.
Not so much an illness, more
In case
refurbish.
you lose your hots, we can refurbish.
Well, however, you must bring your wife to Arabia once we've refurbished the embassy, but not before. Otherwise, you'll have to sleep in a tent like the rest of us.
A tent.
Repairs, and inside we replaced the elevators, refurbished the auditorium, the library, and lounge area, and upgraded our HVAC system.
Well, that's good.
So the magnets that come out are being refurbished, and so they're sort of trundling through about 6 magnets a week.
It cost me $2 million, including the cost of refurbishing the entire 28th floor.
Kiss the bride.
Placed people of influence, taking over the institutions, remaking, remodeling, refurbishing, doing everything they could to make us join them.
No, it'll be fine. Hey, they've refurbished last year.
I couldn't stop them.
Hey, fellas. Hey, how you doing, fellas?
Out.
Is it really true the little one has been ill?
Not so much an illness, more refurbishment.
What do you mean?
Miscarriage.
Wait, here. The potion will be under the pillow, so in case you lose your hots, we can refurbish them.
Tell us all.
Oh, yes.
Oh, God.